If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Detailing Done Properly. This video is sponsored by Wax is Dead. But yeah, go check them out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on with it. So first of all, I'm going to take care of all of the black. I'm going to polish all of this up and get this back to like new. I should probably take some photos before and after. Right, so most of the vehicle's been polished now. All I've got left to do is this side, so I'm going to polish this side of the vehicle and then it's ready to go for coating. So obviously, as I previously mentioned, Wax is Dead is jumping on this with us and they will be donating a bottle of ceramic for this vehicle. So I think that's just fantastic. I think it's a really nice thing to do. Obviously, we're doing the work for free on the ceramic side of things. Everything else is paid for. But yeah, the ladies just wants to look after the vehicle and it's got a lot of sentimental value to her, so I think it's really nice to be able to give back a little. Right, so I've just realised that everything that you've probably just watched or I've skipped past, I didn't have my mic turned on, so just a real quick one. The vehicle is ready for coatings, but the ceramic isn't here yet. That will be arriving shortly. So I'm not held up at all. I'm going to get on with the underbody protection. Obviously now we're down on our tables. As I was trying to explain, our tables allow us to get 100% access underneath. If we used a two-post ramp or anything like that, then we'd have obviously jacking points. Which will be covered. At least with this, there is nothing covered underneath the vehicle. We can literally do everything. So yeah, we're going to crack on with this and get this done. Then hopefully the ceramic will be here. Then we can do the ceramic coating. Then we've got to do all the rewiring on the reversing sensors and dash cam. So that's going to be a bit of a pain in the arse, but I'm sure it'll be fine. It worked well. So I'm going to get on with that. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Detailing Done Properly, and I don't know, just keep watching and enjoy it. Right, so now I'm going to mask up underneath. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a sheet through. Once I pull the sheet through, I'm going to stick it on both sides and around the wheel arches, and no, I'm not going to get any overspray anywhere. There we go, now we're all sheeted up. I'll show you what it looks like underneath. It's basically one long tunnel. So we've got the back of the wheels masked up. The only thing that's on show is what we're going to do. So we'll be coming in from that side, and then all the fumes and everything will be coming out of this side through the extraction. As you can see, everything's all taped up nicely. At the back, this is where we're at. What I'm going to do now is anything that's quite rusty, I'm going to epoxy prime. I've rubbed it all back. It's pretty clean under here in all honesty. It's not actually that bad. There we go. So I don't know if you can hear me now. But this is me geared up. Let's get underneath the car, go from there. Right, so while the underbody dries, I'm going to leave the vehicle on the ramps. I'm going to remove these reversing sensors and I'm going to look at putting the new ones in. I'm not going to wire them up because I need to go all the way up through the car for that, but this should be a good opportunity. I mean, the previous owner had done this and it looks like they've taken the loom, so I'm going to have to go through that. So I'm going to take all the paneling off the back door, take all the wiring out of the loom. I'm going to chase all the wires, see where they were wired up to, and then I'll do the same if it's okay. Alright, so these are the new ones. I've bought silver because obviously it's a silver car. They should be pretty easy installation. I've made sure the sizes are the same as the old ones and we've got enough cable to run. So I'm going to do 4 on the back, so one on each corner and then 2 in the door. I'm not going to actually do any wiring just yet because obviously I need to probably strip the whole interior of the car out. But I thought if I could just get these in and I've saved the job. So quick little update, we've pulled all the old sensors out, I've rewired the new ones in so they go up and follow around. I've done the loom here, I've spliced into the loom up there for the reversing lights, for the power for the box. Now the box I'm going to stick just here. I'm just putting some tape on it so it doesn't vibrate. And then I've checked them, they're all working, so that's perfect. Now all I need to do is literally, I need to strip all of the top out to get the cable through for the actual sensor itself. For the reader, sorry. There we go, I'm going to carry on. I'm not going to film it all because it's currently taking me 2.5 hours to get to this point. I've still got to run all the rest and put it all back together yet, so quick little update. We've got the reversing sensors are in. There's 4 of those. They're not quite the right silver, but they're better than black. We've now put the inside back together again. So all the panels back on, all the cabling is ran through here, as you would expect. So that's good. All the other cables run along the top to the front there. We've got a couple down this side and we've got one down this side. We've also installed the dash cam, so you can see we've got the dash cam at the front just there, and then we've got a rear facing dash cam just here. So that's good. The underbody is completed. I'll show you that now. Underbody's all done, looking great. So that's sweet. So now, all that's left to do on this is the wheel arches. I'm just going to put some undersail in those, and obviously the ceramic, which is a surprise. Got our jacking blocks lined up. We're going to get this up in the air now, and then we're going to get the wheel arches done, get tables out, put back down on the ground, and then she's ready for ceramics.
So, as promised, one bottle of ceramic from Wax is Dead. So this was free of charge. This is to go towards our giving back job, I guess. Obviously the customer is paying for a lot of the work, but it kind of got to a point where the job was getting quite substantial. So she decided to go ahead just for the one-stage machine polish, but it came up so well. I thought, right, let's do something nice. So I'm going to ceramic it for free. Wax is Dead have provided the quick cure for free, which is really good of them. I do really appreciate it. Also got a little bag of Barry Bow and a nice little tester kit for our display cabinet. So I'm well chuffed with that. So yeah, anyway, Wax is Dead, check them out if you haven't already. I'll show you what comes inside. So anybody can buy this. You don't have to be a detailer, you don't have to be accredited. This is for anybody to buy. It's an 18-month coating, cures within an hour. It's a really nice, easy to use. It's good for the general public. So if you want a ceramic coated car but you can't afford or can't justify spending the money to get somebody like me to do it, you can buy this kit yourself. It comes with 2 little applicators. It comes with the actual bottle of ceramic itself. And obviously you get your little ceramic coating stickers. But yeah, so anyway, time is of the essence. It is now Monday. I was quite poorly over the weekend, so didn't get a chance to come and do it, so I am running behind. But today is Monday, the car's going tomorrow. Let's get the quick cure on, let's do it. So anyway, to the car. Right, so here is the vehicle back again. Obviously it's not on the ramps, it's not in our detailing bay, because this is now a different week. So we've got 2 cars in, 4 coatings, so obviously there's no room. So anyway, we're going to get this done. I'm going to get the car wiped down with the Wax is Dead IPA based cleaner. This will remove any contaminants or any dust, anything, any oils, anything at all. We'll get this wiped down and then we will get the coating on. So let me grab the cleaner. So here is the Wax is Dead cleaner. I'm literally just going to spray it all over the vehicle. And then we're ready for coatings once I've buffed it all off. If you wasn't already aware, Wax is Dead have supplied the coating for this vehicle free of charge, and we will be applying the coating free of charge. So it's a free upgrade, I guess. It's just about giving back, you know. It's nice to do things for the community. The community are happy to come to us, they support us with their business. This particular customer has had quite a lot done, so it's nice to be able to support her, wanting to make this vehicle last forever as a living memory, I guess. It's great to be part of that process. So yeah, shout out to Wax is Dead. If you haven't already, go and check their YouTube channel out and obviously their social medias. Go and see what it's all about. If you're into detailing yourself and you're looking to be an accredited detailer, I would definitely recommend checking them out. It's one of the best moves I've ever made. We've come from multiple different companies that we've used in the past. I'm not saying it just because it's what we're selling now, but they're most definitely the best, which is why we are using them now. Right, so that concludes this video. That's the RAV4 fully protected underneath and on top. So Wax is Dead, as I previously mentioned many a times because I really appreciate it. I'm sure the customer will as well. They have provided the ceramic for this job, so the customer is not paying for the ceramic or the ceramic application. We're really proud to be able to give back a little bit sometimes. Obviously as a business, every penny counts. So we can't do this all the time, but yeah, it's really good it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling, especially with vehicles like this when you know they're sentimental to somebody. But yeah, the car all round is looking a lot better. Obviously the plastics, we haven't managed to do anything with these because they are past it, but we have fitted the new reversing sensors, 4 off, rewired everything. We've also fitted a front and a rear dash cam. That's all ran off the battery. It's all wired in, fused in, all done properly as you would expect. Underbody is all done. We've also done the wheel arches as well, so we've got full coverage underneath there. And obviously all the paint and everything's all polished up and protected, so hopefully the customers can be really happy with this. It's nice to work on an older vehicle for a change, because you just get such a better, such a much better finish out of an older vehicle than what you do in new ones, because you just haven't got that much to play with, whereas with these, paint's like bulletproof, so they are good. But anyway, let's do a quick little walk around. As always, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. In this case, go check out Wax is Dead as well. They've been a good contributor to this project. I will tag them somewhere over here, and also check out the socials, check out the products they do. If you're not into detailing and you don't want to do ceramic coatings and things, they have got a good range of products as well for general cleaning, so you can always check that out. I'm sure there's some discount codes or something available somewhere. But yeah, as always, any questions, leave them down below. This is Detailing Done Properly. My name's Darryl, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoyed the video.